Okay, let's open the box. First out is a pop bumper. This is the same design of pop bumper I used in my previous machine, so I'm familiar with this. There's the skirt trigger, and to go with it we should have a spoon switch. This one's already closed, it needs some adjustment, and that will fit in there eventually. There should be two more of those in the box. There's one, another one, and also sees here some alternate caps that I ordered. Right, what's the next layer? Down. Oh yes, there's a flipper mechanism. Now see, that's got a different colour coil cover than the last one I had, so that's probably a different power, maybe more powerful. And to go with that, there are some flipper bats. So there should be two white ones and two black ones, so I can choose which to use. And there are of course two flipper mechanisms, a right hand one and a left hand one. Next out of the box is some posts. These I think are made for Stern pinball machine. And there's these lane guides that are designed for Williams machines. I made these before myself, of cruder versions, so these are much nicer and it will save me time, and they can have a little light inside them. So there's 4 blue ones and 4 clear ones of those. There's some alternate different make of lane guides, and some more posts. I think they're Williams ones. Now here we have the all-important shooter. So that really makes me feel as though I want to play, having seen that. Really nice pinball part. And this is quite exciting for me because this is the first one I've seen of these. And this is a drop target. So it's beautifully made, nice and shiny, and it works. That's about it. There's a few more odds and ends. There's some rubbers for to go on these flipper bats. Okay, that's it for now. Well, I'll show you more these items in more detail and explain how I'm going to use them in a future video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.